CEO of ERSM machinery. In the AI artificial industry, so the AI industry improved, so gave a lot of improvement, quick requirement for the computer server. The computer server, the box cabinet need a lot of taping, but in the server, the cabinet need a lot of process, we call it oil press, to make stepping. But the oil press gave the step. How we make the taping, it is very headache. You have to make a fixture because they are not in the same level. Let's see our solution here. So you can see we have a special device, we call it the clamping system. So we can put this seat after oil press forming. Then this axis has support, so this can be automatic up down. When the sheet put on this, so the sheet will be, this support will be up and down, so easily to make this kind of taping. All this is can make sink, chamfer, and also make a different taping. So this solution gave the AI technology quickly to realize to give the customer the best computer. Thank you. We can put the flaring and the forming standard tooling on this position. Okay, so we can make a punching and to use this area, because taping sinking area, so we can quickly to take this tooling to make a taping. And here we use laser cutting machine to cutting the machine. You know, in laser punching machine, the table is a ball, but here we use brush, so no more problem of the mark. And also the big benefit, it is very small size, much lower than the punching, turret punching machine. So it gives you small area and the combination, no second positioning. So now, if you have any special requirement, you can contact with us. ERSM is your excellent resource sheet metal machinery supplier.